For years I was able to maintain a very healthy tall fescue lawn. However, for the last 3 years, in late August, my lawn has browned out and died at the outer edges. This is nearest the concrete driveway and sidewalk. I noticed birds always pecking at the dead grass, and when I took a closer look, found they were eating white grubs. I've tried several grub killers, but I haven't been able to get rid of them. I've been able to get my lawn to recover every year during the growing season in March and April, but every year the cycle repeats. Beautiful in the spring and a serious, embarrassing eyesore in the late summer. From late August to the next growing season in March, I'm able to manage the eyesore by using grass paint. Someone had mentioned to me that baseball fields often use grass paint, so I decided to try it. I purchased a 32-ounce jug of grass paint in 2018. All I needed for my lawn was 8 ounces, so I have been able to use it for several seasons. The process is easy and takes less than an hour. All you need to do is mix 8 ounces of paint per gallon. If you are using a pump sprayer such as this, you'll want to remove the debris filter from the hose inside the container. Make sure to protect your concrete and other items from overspray. The paint is extremely difficult to remove. I found using a roll of craft paper provides an excellent barrier. Soaking the craft paper will ensure that any accidental overspray is diluted and is easier to deal with, and it will keep it from blowing away. Don't worry about wetting the grass. I didn't see it affect the effectiveness of the grass paint. The grass paint dries after several hours and will darken up a little bit. This video is from the next morning, about 12 hours after applying it. Please subscribe and click on the notifications so you can get additional instruction as soon as it's published.